woke up, couple meal on my plate. Let's eat. I'm investing in real estate. I just went and gave my mama 100. Probably won't hear me open my mouth, let you hear me talking about finding some money.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So before we get into today's tutorial, I just wanted to say thank you to those of you who really support me. I have just been in contact with so many of you guys, and y'all really showed me the most support, and you guys showed me so much love. And for a minute, I don't know if y'all noticed, like I was not really uploading like consistently like I used to, and I'm not gonna say I lost myself, but I just was feeling really down and I was not motivated to really record. But talking to you guys and just seeing how much you guys love and support me, it really, like, I tell y'all this all the time, but it really keeps me going. Like, I have no idea. I just want to say a special thank you to you guys. But with that being said, I did an all yellow look for the first time ever. I usually try to stay away from looks like this that require so much yellow, because yellow is so hard to work with, but I got it done. So yeah, make sure you guys continue to watch to see how I got this look. I don't mind my background. I even used to like actually having a like legit background. Y'all know I'm used to backdrops. But I'm taking my Juvia's Place concealer, and this one is in a number 15. I'm using this one to prime my lid. Today I'm actually gonna set my lid with a translucent powder. I'm using the one from Airspin, but you can use any translucent powder you have. I just found that this really helps the color from not going on patchy. Okay, so can we talk about how much money I've spent on makeup these past few weeks? I have ordered things from Opal, I know, at least 6 times. They know what they're doing with these sales. Because guess what? I shop literally every sale they have, and it's kind of sad, but I just love makeup that much. I ordered the P. Louise bases, so hopefully they get here soon. But for today, I'm using the y'all, why do I keep doing it? I'm using the Jaclyn Hill palette. I'm taking No Joke, which is the yellow in this palette, and I'm gonna start by blending it into my crease, and then I'm gonna go back and pack it on my lid. On this side, you can tell like it's just this one spot that I really couldn't get to accurate. I don't really know what happened there, but like I said, I was just kind of practicing. That's why I always do one eye off camera, because it's always my practice eye, so I know what to do differently for the other eye. But yeah, hopefully this one turns out much better. Let me know if you guys would be interested in like seeing me do both eyes. I mean, it's the same thing, but at least on this eye, if I do mess up, y'all can see like how I go back and fix like small things like creases, or like, you know, an uneven cut crease or something. I don't know if that's something y'all be interested in seeing, but I don't want y'all to think that all my looks just turn out great, because they don't. It takes a whole practice eye, and then I get on camera and record this one. So that's that part. This is one of the colors I literally stay away from. If y'all have not noticed, this is my first time doing like an all yellow look. So this brush I'm using now is from Glam Light. It came with my paint palette. It's actually really soft. I was not expecting it to feel like this. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply my mascara, my lashes. These are the same lashes I used in my last video, my Easter video. The lashes by Xenae in the style Haydia. First step to my face is to moisturize. So I always use the Pond's face. Yeah, I don't mind my fingers. I just do some swatches. But the Pond's Dry Skin Cream. My skin is not dry. It's combination. So I'm gonna prime with my Milk Hydrating or Hydro Grip Primer. And I just use a tad bit more of my Airspin powder to set my smile line. For foundation, I'm using Born This Way. This one is in the shade Mocha. told y'all before, but I'll tell you again, I avoid my temple areas with foundation because it always goes on green and I contour there anyway, so it'll just blend into the rest of the foundation. So straight from there, I hop into contouring. I use a stick foundation from Black Opal. I love this shade. Oh my god, my eyelash keep getting stuck. I love this shade for a contour for me because it's just so warm. Like, the other one I was using was too dark, so it made me look a little gray. But this one is like the perfect shade for me. So next I'm going to use my Kylie Jenner concealer. This one is in the shade Chai. And this is what I'm using underneath my eyes. As you guys can see, it's not a really huge highlighter shade. Like, it's not much brighter, but it's kind of what I like because I depend on my powder to kind of brighten up my eyes anyway. I'm setting with the Crayon case chalk dust, and the letter N is the gold one. I'm also going to take the Too Faced concealer. This one is also in the shade Mocha, and just go around my lips. Just because I just messed up my nose, I put too much of the lighter concealer down the middle. I didn't put too much, I just blended it kind of weird. So I'm taking my Coco Naughty bronzer from Fenty. I'm just gonna go ahead and contour because so to warm my face up even more, I'm gonna bronze with the same bronzer I just showed you guys from Fenty. I want to take the same banana powder. And that's what I do now because I don't want to worry about getting rid of that harsh line, because I ain't gonna lie, it be kind of hard sometimes. Like, I don't got time for that. Like, that right there is still a very important step in my face routine because, I mean, it still make my face look slimmer, in my opinion. This one is from Sister Cosmetics. I usually use the darker side. Since it's spring, I think I'll mix them. And I just to give me a little bit more color. And it's probably not gonna show, but I don't really care for it to show too much. I'm gonna add some more yellow. Well, not more, but I'm gonna add some yellow underneath. It's actually cute. I don't know, maybe I won't add glitter. I kind of like this. Okay guys, I'm gonna set really quick with the Morphe Continue with Setting Spray. I'm gonna highlight with this gold highlighter in the style Star, or in the color Star. so proud of myself because I told myself that I was going to record a video every day this week, and so far I've done just that, even though it's just Monday. I stayed up late Saturday night recording my Easter look because my first attempt did not turn out how I wanted it to. So I stayed up late editing that one, and I had it up at 6 a.m. So I was really proud of myself for that. So for my lips, I'm gonna line them with a dark brown lip liner. This one is from Nabi or Navy. I really don't know how to say it. I'm gonna grab another Fearless Faces lip gloss. This one is in the shade Chocolate. Looks like this. Surprisingly, I kind of wish this was a matte. Why I wish I had a matte this color, because I don't know, y'all. It's like since I've been like out of my regular recording area, I've just been trying a bunch of things that I normally would not try and using products that I haven't used in a minute, and I'm so proud. Like, I'm so happy. Random confession, but I absolutely hate washing my brushes now. Like, I hate it so much. So that is today's look. Hold on, my lips don't look like it, but that is today's look. I'm really satisfied with how it turned out. Let me know what you guys think about this video. If you enjoyed it, you already know what to do. Give it a thumbs up, and make sure you guys subscribe for some more tutorials, and I will see you guys in my next one.